You got money, honey?
How much?
Oh, half, right?
$12.50.
Right.
Nice flowers, look.
Yeah, I know. I see them.
Oh, squirrel, look.
You've never seen a squirrel before?
No, never. We are in dog park, but other side of it.
What other side?
The nicer side.
You think this is not nicer?
Yeah, because it has many benches and it has nice grass and squirrel and it's many benches.
These little stuff must be the killer.
Yeah. Imagine all the time hearing screamings. They must be twins, right?
Oh, maybe.
Today is a little cooler, 70 or 69. You look good in this color.
What color?
It's burgundy. It looks good on you.
Thank you, good.
Welcome, Jana.
Now, which way do we go?
Yes.
You want to go this way? Then?
Yes.
Really cool out there.
I thought you were hot stuff. You said you're always hot and you was laughing from me and people on the couch. They cut much of grass. Mm-hmm.
It was fun to go this way, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why are we going that way then down here? Kind of pointless. I don't see any benches here. I see hay.
I see where. But it's cute. I like hay. It's like village. Hey. And a nice bench. You can even lay down. Ow.
Taz tagged his name on the floor.
He put name?
Yeah, Taz was here in an indelible link.
Oh,
Marker, I should say.
nice.
So it'll always be there.
Good. And it's sad, right?
Of course.
That he leaving because you liked him. Maybe he come back. Because sometimes we don't like the new jobs and they coming
I'm
back.
pretty sure he'd come back too.
Yeah, if he work where I'm pretty sure they would allow him. I think I lost some of it.
Nice.
See? No berries like this. It's smaller now. Look.
Nice. Yep, very nice.
It's there, but not that big. Because that picking, I think that makes me
Is that that same noise again? Sounds it.
maybe.
Yeah, it is.
Nice green grass. You cut it all. And boss playing with boss.
So many planes around here.
Yeah. And here and
I
now.
know, that's what I'm saying. It's the fourth one we've seen since we sat down.
Maybe this hour they often go down. Forgot to call stupid things. Maybe Monday, I guess.
What Monday?
Call them before work to make appointment.
Shoe doctor?
Dentist. Because actually I was thinking, that you could take cold. I have hoodie, that's why. Hoodie makes me more cold.
Oh, what do we have for dinner tonight?
Yeah.
Salad?
Yeah, and potatoes and maybe fish from last day, previous days, but I will bake that fish for work. See people wearing coat because it's cold.
Now it's cold, before it wasn't.
I guess it's not the same as in summer. It's fall now.
What time is it?
It's fall.
Oh, fall. I thought you said it's fall. I got later than fall.
It's not summer anymore. You have to have coat in case. Even I little cold.
Yeah, you got clothes on.
In hoodie. That means that it's cold. That crashes. And then she go on tree.
Go up tree.
She is local.
Huh?
A local squirrel.
Local.
Somewhere here.
It's a big rat. It's an angel's rat.
Cute. Frozen. A lemon cake. Cucumbers. Bananas.
What's this? Pears?
Lemon. Lemon. Pepsi. Coke. Potatoes. Mega Cheerios. Honey nut.
Oh, what's this for?
Red
That's mine. What's this? Called?
Day
I have
stuff.
Red Day.
Stay free. And 10 packs and cold. Then what else? You got Hershey's, here's
You got Dupa?
Dupa. Portable battery, extra charges. Because it charge tablets, USB devices and smartphones.
Yeah.
Because I don't have a big one.
Push one. I want stuff down the table.
The what?
Put stuff away.
I'm doing it. Here are Kleenex, soothing lotion things. What else I've got? Here is
What are
cheesecake.
we going to do with all this shit?
That's I put away.
Can I keep those in the bedroom?
Cheesecake. One
Thank
is
you.
mine.
Oh, both of mine.
No.
What do you mean, no?
This is yours, but you share. Right?
No. I don't think this thing's any.
Unstuck it. And here is cucumber and salad. Salad, cucumbers. What else we got? Oats. Lotion, Kleenex.
cushion for the cushion.
Feta cheese also for salad. Headache fish.
What about headache fish?
I also got this planner from Walmart. So it has those things. Let's open it. Am I visible? So it has few things on fridge, to-do list. So it can be put on fridge and planner. Let's open planner. Good. Wow, it's really nice. See, nice flowers. It has from October. Just hope it goes easily. Oh, it's already enumerated and stuff, although not many space for each day. But that's just to plan things when it has this thingy there for all month. So it's like this to what month? Wow, December next year. That's much. And then also this planner kit comes with another thing, which are stickers. To close. And it comes with those stickers. And it comes with sticker sheets. Looks like this. This. Birthday, busy day, payday. Should be more paydays. And this, wow. Meeting, away game, deadline. Wow, man. And this. So yeah, stickers. And then what else? This is easier to open because I don't have letters. Oh. And it comes with this calendar on the wall, which has months. That's cool. The same one. So yeah, that's planner kit, and it was $13. This planner also have here address, contacts. That's cool. Few pages, and here a few pages like this much of those notes. That's not bad.